సుల్తాన్పుర చాదర్ఘట్ హైదరాబాద్లోని స్టూడెంట్ సర్వీస్ గిల్డ్ హై స్కూల్లో ఈరోజు విజ్ఞాన ప్రదర్శన ఎగ్జిబిషన్ నిర్వహించడం జరిగింది. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో భాగంగా మొఘల్ సామ్రాజ్యం స్వాతంత్ర సమరయోధులు, సాంఘిక మత సంస్కరణలు, రాజకీయ నేతలు, అడవి జంతువులు, భారత సైనిక దళం, శాస్త్రవేత్తలు, క్రీడాకారులు, రచయితలు, మహిళా సాధికారత లాంటి పాత్రలు వేషాధరణతో విద్యార్థులు మరియు విద్యార్థులను ఎంతో స్ఫూర్తిగా ఆయా పాత్రలతో ఎంతో ఆకర్షణీయంగా ఇక్కడికి విచ్చేసి పేరెంట్స్ మరియు ప్రముఖులు, స్కూల్ యాజమాన్యం ఎంతో కనువిందుగా ఉందని వచ్చిన వారు తెలియజేశారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో ఎంతో విజయవంతంగా నిర్వహించినందుకు స్కూల్ యాజమాన్యానికి పేరెంట్స్ కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలియజేశారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి ముఖ్య అతిథులుగా ఫజుల్లార్ రెహమాన్, కురం డైరెక్టర్ మరియు కృష్ణరాజు, సబ్ ఇన్స్పెక్టర్ ఆఫ్ పోలీస్ ఆనంద్, చీఫ్ జనరల్ సెక్రటరీ మరియు తదితరులు భారీగా పాల్గొన్నారు.
వాళ్ళకి లేదు, వీళ్ళందరికీ ఏం లేదు. వీళ్ళు ఎప్పుడైనా వీళ్ళకి స్కూల్ లేదా? లేదు, ఓన్లీ 10th టీచర్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఉన్నారు. వీళ్ళు చూడడం రావచ్చు.
Good morning. I, the headmistress of Student Service Guild High School, located at Sultanpura Chadarghat, is very much satisfied. Its accomplishment and satisfaction is here to tell you about the school exhibition. That is, the theme of it is the art illustration and let's empower women by empowering men. The main aim of this exhibition is to create the potential, talent, ability of the children and to expose them with the outside environment. Our little tiny turds, the blooming birds of our pre-primary and primary section, are here to are very much excited to show their points and to show the views about the freedom fighters, Mughals, and many other persons who have done the level best. They come up with the name in many fields. Let's encourage them with a big hands. Thank you, parents, for being with us always for cooperating. Thank you. నా తోటి సహ ఉపాధ్యాయురాలు శైలజ, గౌరవనీయులైన ప్రిన్సిపల్ ప్రధానోపాధ్యాయులు, అతిథులు మరియు గౌరవనీయులైన ఉపాధ్యాయులు, ప్రియమైన స్నేహితులు, విద్యార్థుల తల్లిదండ్రులకు, ప్రదర్శనకు వచ్చిన అందరికీ స్వాగతం, సుస్వాగతం. మేము స్టూడెంట్ సర్వీస్ గిల్డ్ హై స్కూల్ ఉన్నత పాఠశాలలో జరిగే ఈ ప్రదర్శన యొక్క ముఖ్య ఉద్దేశం ప్రతిభ, సృజనాత్మకత మరియు అభ్యాసాన్ని ప్రదర్శించడం, వారి జ్ఞానం మరియు విజయాలను ఇతరులతో పంచుకోవడానికి వీలు కల్పిస్తుంది. అతిథిగण, प्रधानाध्यापिका जी, समस्त अध्यापकगण और सारे मेरे सहपाठियों, आप सबको मेरा स्नेहपूर्ण नमस्कार। आज हम सब SSGHS के प्रांगण में महान विभूतियों जिन्होंने अपने क्षेत्र में अपना जौहर साबित किया है, उन सभी के प्रदर्शनी यहाँ पर देखने के लिए एकत्रित हुए हैं। इन नन्हे छात्रों के उनके दर्शन करेंगे, उनके विचार एवं उनकी भावनाओं से अवगत होंगे। साथ ही छात्र अपनी प्रतिभा और सृजनात्मक प्रदर्शनी यहाँ प्रस्तुत करेंगे। सभी अभिभावकों से अनुरोध है कि इन सभी नन्हे छात्रों का आत्मविश्वास बढ़ाए, उनको प्रोत्साहित करे और उनके इस कौशल से अभिभूत होए। और साथ में इन कविता के द्वारा मैं उन सभी नन्हे छात्रों को प्रोत्साहित करती हूँ। जैसे जमीन पर चमकते हैं जुगनू, आसमान पर चमकते हैं तारे, कुछ ऐसे ही छटा बिखेर रहे हैं SSGH के ये नन्हे छात्र हमारे। धन्यवाद।
Say better, you start saying everybody. I am Pavitra Nritya. You start. Yes. Listen to them. Just go. They can listen to them also. You can listen to them also. Some of them.
Primary and higher school staff, students and their incredible parents. To the art illustration and let's empower women by
Friends talent exhibition here in primary school building. We respectfully welcome our principal correspondent Lion Nagam Sudhakar Garu and headmistress Madam Mrs. Bilkis Fatima to the dais, and our honored guest today Fazlur Rahman Khurram Saab, Director Correspondent of Down High School, and he is in the private school management since long. He is an inspiration to our students and school movement. We welcome you, sir.
Thanks for your So, this exhibition in Assam will go towards the
Police station. And already joined several students of talent. We welcome you.
What your character?
So, this exhibition in Assam will However, this month's player represented जिन्होंने अंग्रेजों के विरुद्ध अपनी वीरता का प्रदर्शन किया, उनकी वीरता की कहानियाँ इन्हीं के दर्शन करने के लिए आप
సరోజినీ నాయుడు 1879 ఫిబ్రవరి 13న హైదరాబాద్లో బెంగాలీ కుటుంబంలో జన్మించారు. ఆమె కవితా లక్షణాల కారణంగా ఆమెను నైటింగేల్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా అని పిలుస్తారు. ముందుగా అనే విద్యార్థి సరోజినీ నాయుడు గురించి వినిపిస్తారు. హాయిగా తిరిగి వెళ్ళి
Come on, move that side from that side.
My name is Saraswati. I am a section.
Doraemon, stand and say. Good morning. बोलिए Come on, start ma. See here, teacher. See here. Now you can ask. Louder.
టిప్పు సుల్తాన్ నయి అనే విద్యార్థి టిప్పు సుల్తాన్ గురించి గొప్పగా వివరించడానికి సిద్ధంగా ఉన్నారు. మీరు వెళ్ళి విద్యార్థి చెప్పింది విని విద్యార్థి యొక్క ప్రతిభను గుర్తించండి. అబ్దుల్ జాఫర్ ఖాన్ హైదర్ అనే విద్యార్థి అబ్దుల్ జాఫర్ ఖాన్ గురించి వివరించడానికి హాల్ నెంబర్ 3కు వెళ్ళి వినండి. లాల్ బహదూర్ శాస్త్రి పిల్లాడ్ అనే విద్యార్థి లాల్ బహదూర్ శాస్త్రి మొత్తాన్ని భారతదేశం
Good morning. I, Vaidansa Farki of class 4C. I heartily welcome you to our school exhibition. Today I am playing the role of Begum Hazrat Mahal. Begum Hazrat Mahal was a prominent figure during the Indian Rebellion of 1857. She was the wife of Nawab Wajid Ali Sahab, the ruler of Awadh. Begum Hazrat Mahal played a significant leadership role in the uprising against the British East India Company. Begum Hazrat Mahal formed alliances with various rebels during uprising against the British. Following the failure of the rebellion, she had to escape from Lucknow and went into exile in Nepal. She died there in 1879 and was buried in a nameless grave in the ground floor of Kathmandu Jama Masjid. Thank you for being a part of our exhibition. Class 4C. A warm welcome to our cherished guest. I am honored to be here today to represent the great personality of Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai was born on 1928 at Varanasi. Rani Lakshmibai was the queen of Jhansi in the 19th century. She played a key role in the Indian Rebellion of 1857. She was widowed, shed of the sun and faced British annexion attempts. She is known as the warrior queen. She led Jhansi's defense in battles. Her bravery made her a symbol of resistance against British rule. Despite challenges, she fought strategically in the siege of Jhansi. Rani Lakshmibai's life inspires as a symbol of courage and patriotism. Rani Lakshmibai died on June 18, 1858 during the Battle of Gwalior in the course of the Indian Rebellion of 1857. Thank you for being a part of our exhibition to our school exhibition. Today I am acting as a Tipu Sultan. Tipu Sultan was a great freedom fighter who fought many wars against the Britishers. Tipu Sultan was ruler of the kingdom of Mysore. He was a scholar, poet and soldier. Tipu Sultan was born on 20 November 1758 Diwanjan near Mysore. He was a ruler who faced the British civil. Tipu Sultan was considered the world's first ruler even to introduce rocket in his building. Tipu Sultan's rockets are housed in London's famous Science Museum. These rockets were taken by the British in the late 18th century. Even the third battle of Mysore, British could not defeat Tipu. They made an agreement with Lawan of Mysore called Treaty of Mangalore. He is known as Sher Mysore. Good morning. My name is Apurva Kulkarni of class 4C. I welcome you to our school exhibition. Today I am acting as a Kamala Nehru. Kamala Nehru 1899 to 1936 was the wife of Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister. Kamala Nehru was born on August 1st, 1899 in Delhi, India. She was active in Indian independence movement. She contributed to social work and national causes. She was mother of Indira Gandhi, the first female Prime Minister of India. During the non-cooperation movement, she joined her husband in various projects and campaigns against British rule. Kamala Nehru actively supported Mahatma Gandhi's Khadi movement. Kamala Nehru passed away on February 28, 1936 at the age of 34. Good morning, everyone. Myself is Vansing of class 2nd. A warm welcome to our cherished guest. I am honored to be here to represent the great personality of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj was a brave and strong king in India. He lived a long time ago and is called Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj born in a port and loved his people. He fought against unfair rule to protect this kingdom. He fought against unfair rule to protect this kingdom. He was clever and had a special group of soldiers called Marathas. He built a strong fort to keep this kingdom safe. People love Shivaji because they cared for every human being. Shivaji Maharaj was known for treating everyone with kindness and justice. His story of bravery and smart thinking are still told children today. India members Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was a great morning, everyone. Myself, Vivan Kumar of class 2nd A. A warm welcome to our cherished guest. I am honored to be here today. I am represent for great personality of Maharana Pratap. Maharana Pratap was a warrior and 13th king of Mewar, Rajasthan, India. He was born on 9th May 1540 at Kumbhalgarh, Mewar. He is best known as for bold against Mughal Emperor Akbar during battle in 1576. Maharana Pratap, famous horse Chetak, played a crucial role in his life. He remains symbol of Rajput pride. Also, he is once as legendary figure in Indian history. The name of his horse is Chetak. He is the one of strongest warrior in India. Maharana Pratap would cut Balu Khan into two parts along with Shihas. Better to serve nation instead of living life happily and simply. These are the last line of Maharana Pratap.
हमारे पास बहुत ही मशहूर आजम अली शान शख्सियत के मालिक मीर उस्मान अली खान के बारे में बताना चाहता हूँ, लेकिन फिर यह है कि मजबूर बादशाह मीर महबूब अली खान के हाथ 5 अप्रैल 1886 को मीर उस्मान अली खान पुरानी हवेली हैदराबाद में पैदा हुए। उनकी मां का नाम अब्दुल जहरा लक़ब नजर देखन था। रसूलुल्लाह खानी के बाद 5 साल से तलीम का सिलसिला शुरू हुआ। मीर उस्मान अली खान मवादिन की तालीम के लिए जनाना स्कूल और कॉलेज खुले। मीर उस्मान अली खान ने अदालत आलिया हाई कोर्ट कायम किया। आवाम की सहूलियत के लिए पुराना पुल, नया पुल, चादरघाट पुल बनवाया। आवाम की सेहत के लिए हुसैन सागर और मीरानुल तालाब बनवाया। पानी की सहूलियत के लिए हुसैन सागर और मीरानुल तालाब बनवाया। 24 फरवरी 1967 को आपका इंतकाल हुआ और मां के खतरे के पास
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Muhammad Ali of class 40. A warm welcome to our cherished guest. I am honored to be here. If they represent the great personality of Hakim Ajmal Khan. Hakim Ajmal Khan, born in 1864, is the earlier acknowledged to be a most significant name among the 20th century India's scholars and physicians, the Unani systems of medicines. He established the Hindustani Dawakana at Delhi in 1905. His cherished name was realized with the setting up of Ayurvedic in Unani Tibia College. Ajmal Khan played a positive role in the national freedom struggle. His involved in independence struggle and Khilafat movement was total. He was honored with the title of Hajikul Mulk and Gold Medal of Tazrain. He led Hindus and Muslims equally and was in turn equally respect and love by both. He emerged to be a symbol of Hindus and Muslims unity. I am super excited to welcome you to our school exhibition today. I have supplied Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was an independence activist. In 1884, he founded the Deccan Education Society in Pune under the banner Open the Hindu School for Primary Studies and Ferguson College for Higher Education. His involvement in the educational institution was to emphasize on the cultural revival of young Indians. For the British, Tilak was the father of the Indian race. When the Indian National Congress was divided among moderates and extreme, the standard each member took against the British government. There was no doubt which I think. A warm welcome to our cherished guest. I am honored to be here today to represent the great personality of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Baba Saheb Ambedkar is known as Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, was a social reformer and inspired the Dalit Buddhist movement in India. He is the father of the Indian Constitution and the brain behind the drafting of the Indian Constitution. He was the first law minister of the country in the year 1947. The terms fraternity, liberty and equality in the Constitution was written by B.R. Ambedkar. B.R. Ambedkar was born on 14th April in 1947 in the central province now known as Madhya Pradesh. In the year 1912, B.R. Ambedkar obtained his political science economic degree from the Bombay University. B.R. Ambedkar completed his postgraduate studies at Columbia University in the United States of America. He was the first. Thank you all.
Excellent.
Myself, Hasina Bano of class 4B. A warm welcome to our cherished guest. I am honored to be here today to represent the great personality of Draupadi Murmu. Draupadi Murmu became the 15th President of India on 26 July 2022. She was born on 20 June 1958 in Mayurbhanj, Odisha. Her father name was Mr. Piranchi Narayan Tudu. Draupadi Murmu has two sons and a daughter. She earned a bachelor degree in arts. Draupadi Murmu married Mr. Shyam Charan Murmu. She is a member of Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP). She is the first woman governor of Jharkhand. She is the second woman president of India. She is the first scheduled tribal woman to become president of India. I am Mohammad Rehan, studying in Thane. I am super excited. Welcome to our school exhibition. Today I have dressed up like Om Birla. Om Birla is Indian politician and member of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Born on November 23, 1916, Kota, Rajasthan. He has a background in social work and politician activism. Birla has been associated with various educational and social organizations before entering mainstream politics. He served as a member of Legislative Assembly MLA for 3 consecutive terms in the Rajasthan Legislative Assembly. Om Birla was elected as a member of Parliament MP to the 16 and 17 Lok Sabha from the Kota Rani constituency. He assumed the role of Speaker of the Lok Sabha, the lower of India's Parliament, in June 2019. Known for his amicable and impartial approach, Birla has presided over Parliament sessions with a focused constitutes debates. Under his tenure, Speaker effort has been made to enhance transparency, efficiency in parliamentary proceedings. Om Birla worked towards strengthening the democracy process, a fostering constitute environment for legislative deliberation. Beyond his parliamentary responsibility, Om Birla community to development activity reflect his commitment to public service. Our school exhibition action Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi is 14th Prime Minister of India, serving this role since May 2014. Born on September 17, 1950 in Vadodara, Gujarat. He comes from a humble background. Modi is member of the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Rashtra Swami Sevak Sangh. Before becoming the Prime Minister, he served as the Chief Minister of Gujarat from 2001 to 2014. Now for his dynamic leadership style. Modi has been a central figure in shaping India's political landscape. Under his leadership, India has witnessed various initiatives, including the Making in India and Swachh Bharat Abhiyan campaigns. Modi has focused on economic reform, infrastructure development, and initiatives aimed at improving the country's ease of doing business. He played a crucial role in the implementation of the Goods and Service Tax (GST), a significant tax reform in India. International stage in engaging diplomatic efforts and strengthening India's global position. He secured a second term as Prime Minister in the 2019 general election, reflecting his continued popularity among Indian elections. Thank you. Myself, Amira Fatima of class RC. A warm welcome to our cherished guest. I am honored to be here today to represent the great personality of Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi was the first female Prime Minister of India, serving as the Prime Minister from 1956 to 1977. And then again 1990 and trial for assassination in 1984. Here are some key facts about her. Indira Gandhi was born on November 1990, 17 in Lavadh, India. She was the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. Indira Gandhi was married to Feroz Gandhi in 1942, who was not related to Mahatma Gandhi. She served as Prime Minister during a time of great political turmoil in India, including the Indo-Pakistan War of 1971 and the state of emergency she declared in 1975. She was assassinated on October 31 in 1984 by two of her bodyguards at Reliance in New Delhi. Indira Gandhi was known for her strong leadership style and was often referred to as the Iron Lady of India. She was a controversial figure with British accusing her of violating violence during the state of emergency. Despite her controversial legacy, Indira Gandhi's style widely respected and remembered as a key figure in Indian politics. She was awarded the Bhatna Ratna Indian Service Seven Award in 1984. Thank you. Good morning, myself Maria Padma of class 4B. A warm welcome to our cherished guest. I am honored here today to represent the great personality of Arundhati Roy. In Kerala, India, Arundhati Roy was born in 1960. She worked as a production designer by pursuing her architectural studies in Delhi School of Architecture. She has written two screenplays, including the 1992 television directed Channel 4 production Electric Moon. Her debut book, The God of Small Things, which has sold over 6 million copies worldwide, won the Booker Prize for Fiction in 1999. Together with her husband, the filmmaker Pradeep Tushan, she resides in Delhi. The novel became an instant bestseller and currently published for 16 languages and 19 countries, but it's packed outside in India since it depicted romance between Syrian and Christian and a Hindu untouchable. Thank you for being a part of the studying in Thare. I am super excited to welcome you to our school exhibition. Today I am dressing up like a Muzawali. Muzawali was rendered with he was by the pen name Haj Marathon. His horizontal was the Virul Mulk Najmuddollah. His notable work was the Gali Islamic composition at the age of 12. Gali was a gift letter. Gali was a street poet of the most era and is considered to be one of the most popular. Gali was a gift letter. Gali was a street poet of the most era and considered to be one of the most popular. Thank you. Sorry. अर्श क्या है मेरे बिन में जिंदगी में सन्नाटा वाह वाह मेरे बिन में जिंदगी में सन्नाटा तू ही मेरा आमलेट तू ही मेरा पराठा Good morning, myself Naila Begum of class 3rd C. Warm welcome to our cherished guest. I am honored to be here today to represent the great personality of Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was born on 26 August 1910 in the Ottoman Empire. She belonged to the religion of Christianity. Mother Teresa was a nun in a Catholic church. She wanted to live a religion life of since her childhood. Mother Teresa came to India in 1929. She adopted the citizenship of India after living for years in the country. The Poised was awarded Padma Shri in 1962. She was also awarded Bharat Ratna in 1980. Mother Teresa had a series of heart attacks. She breathed her last breath on 5th September 1997. Thank you.
He is a fashion brand
Women Business Women. So this character is being played by Faiza Mehdi of class UKG A section.
వినగలరు. గుర్రం ఇమ్రాన్ అనే విద్యార్థి గుర్రం గురించి చాలా చక్కగా వివరిస్తున్నాడు. మీరందరూ హాల్ నంబర్ 9లోకి వినగలరు. మేక భవ్య అనే ఎల్కేజీ విద్యార్థిని మేక గురించి చాలా చక్కగా వివరిస్తుంది. మీరందరూ హాల్ నంబర్ 9లోకి వెళ్ళి వినగలరు.
మీ యొక్క సలహాలు ఎలవెల్లా ఉండాలని శాల్వాతో సత్కరిస్తున్నారు ప్రిన్సిపల్ లాయన్ నాకం సుధాకర్ గారు. పుష్పగుచ్చాన్ని అందించి మొమెంటోను కూడా బహుకరిస్తున్నారు కొత్త వెంకటరత్నం గారికి రిటైర్డ్ రిజిస్ట్రార్.
మీరు ఫోన్ కొంచెం కిందకి పెట్టండి.
मतलब पूरे दिन भर इतने अच्छे आपने उनके साथ स्वागत कीजिए. The room numbers, you can go. You can.
सूजन राधे 2 hours